Greetings and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Durga, renowned as the Hindu goddess of divine strength, maternal love, and protection. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Durga. What does Durga represent in mythology? Goddess Durga holds immense significance in Hindu mythology as a powerful and revered deity who embodies the essence of divine strength, protection, and motherly love. She represents the fierce and compassionate form of the divine feminine, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. Durga is known for her role as a warrior goddess, battling and overcoming the forces of darkness and chaos to restore harmony and righteousness in the world. She is the embodiment of courage, inner power, and the divine energy that empowers individuals to overcome obstacles and challenges. As a nurturing mother figure, Durga offers guidance, support, and unconditional love, serving as a source of inspiration and empowerment. Devotees seek her blessings to cultivate inner strength, invoke protection, and awaken their own divine potential. Goddess Durga is revered as a beacon of hope, reminding us of the indomitable spirit within us and the power we possess to bring about positive transformation in our lives and in the world. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Durga. Divine Mother. Unleashed, the archetypal power of Goddess Durga. Durga represents the Divine Mother archetype, embodying nurturing, protective, and fierce maternal qualities. As the warrior goddess, she symbolizes courage, strength, and the ability to conquer evil forces. Durga also embodies the archetype of the fierce and independent feminine, demonstrating self-reliance, assertiveness, and determination. She exemplifies the archetype of the righteous ruler, upholding justice and restoring harmony in the world. Durga's archetypal presence inspires individuals to tap into their inner strength, stand up against injustice, and embrace their power to create positive change. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Durga. Unveiling the mighty symbols of Goddess Durga: lions, lotuses, and tridents. In Hindu mythology, Goddess Durga is associated with several symbols, animals, plants, and colors that hold deep significance. The lion or tiger is the primary animal associated with Goddess Durga, symbolizing her ferocious power, courage, and strength. The trident, or trishul, represents her ability to destroy evil forces and maintain balance. The lotus flower is often depicted in association with Durga, symbolizing purity, beauty, and spiritual enlightenment. The color red is closely linked to her, representing her power, passion, and divine energy. Additionally, the conch shell signifies the primordial sound of creation, while the bow and arrow symbolize her precision and focus in combating negativity. Part 4. The story of Goddess Durga. Unleashing divine power. Goddess Durga's heroic quest to restore balance. In the ancient land of India, there existed a kingdom plagued by darkness and turmoil. Evil forces had engulfed the realm, spreading chaos and fear among its people. The kingdom's inhabitants lived in constant despair, longing for a glimmer of hope. Amidst this darkness, the divine realm heard the cries of the oppressed and summoned Goddess Durga to restore balance and vanquish the malevolent forces. Durga, the fierce and compassionate warrior goddess, emerged from the celestial realms, adorned with multiple arms, wielding powerful weapons. With unwavering determination, Durga set foot in the kingdom, radiating a divine aura that instilled courage and hope in the hearts of the people. Her lion companion stood faithfully by her side as she embarked on her sacred mission. The battle between Durga and the forces of darkness was fierce and intense. The skies thundered, and the earth shook as Durga fearlessly faced each adversary, wielding her divine weapons with precision. Her trident pierced through the shadows, her sword severed the ties of evil, and her bow unleashed a rain of arrows that vanquished darkness. Through her unwavering resolve, Durga defeated the malevolent forces one by one. The people witnessed the restoration of peace and harmony in their land, and their hearts filled with gratitude and reverence for the divine warrior goddess. But Durga's mission extended beyond defeating evil. She was not only a warrior, but also a compassionate mother figure. She embraced the suffering and pain of the people, offering solace and guidance. With her nurturing love, she taught them the power of resilience, compassion, and unity. As the embodiment of divine strength, protection, and motherly love, Durga became a beacon of hope and inspiration for the kingdom. The people celebrated her triumph over darkness and honored her through the festival of Durga Puja, a grand commemoration of her valor and benevolence. Throughout the ages, the story of Goddess Durga has been passed down as a reminder of the triumph of good over evil. It serves as an enduring symbol of the indomitable spirit within each individual, urging them to confront their own inner battles, embrace their inner strength, and rise above adversity. The tale of Goddess Durga teaches us that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, the power to overcome lies within us. Like Durga, we can harness our inner courage, compassion, and resilience to vanquish the darkness in our lives and bring forth a world filled with light, love, and harmony. Part 5. Thriving Strategies for Personal Transformation. Tapping into the power of the Durga archetype. Strategy 1. Embrace fearlessness. Just as Durga fearlessly battles evil forces, cultivate the courage to confront your fears and step out of your comfort zone. Embrace new opportunities, take calculated risks, and challenge self-imposed limitations. By embracing fearlessness, you open yourself up to incredible personal growth, self-discovery, and transformation. Strategy 2. Explore the power of mantras and affirmations. Hindu traditions have long recognized the transformative power of mantras and affirmations. Incorporate this practice into your personal transformation journey by choosing empowering and positive affirmations that align with your goals and aspirations. Repeat these mantras and affirmations regularly, as neuroscience suggests that they can rewire the neural pathways in your brain, reinforcing positive beliefs and fostering personal growth and transformation. Strategy 3. Embody Seva. In Hindu traditions, the practice of seva, meaning selfless service, is deeply ingrained. Incorporate seva into your personal transformation journey by actively seeking opportunities to serve others without expecting anything in return. Engaging in acts of kindness and selflessness not only benefits those you serve, but also activates the reward centers in your brain, releasing feel-good neurotransmitters like dopamine and promoting a sense of fulfillment and well-being. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Create a sacred space by arranging the symbols or images of Goddess Durga on an altar or designated area. Clear the space by smudging with the incense or waving it around the area to purify the energy. 2. Sit or stand comfortably in front of the altar. Take a few deep breaths and close your eyes. Center yourself in the present moment and visualize a radiant light surrounding you. Gently ring the bell or chime to signify the beginning of the ritual. Invoke the presence of Goddess Durga by reciting a heartfelt invocation or mantra, expressing your reverence and calling upon her divine energy to be present. 3. Light a candle or oil lamp as a representation of the divine light within you and the presence of Goddess Durga. As you light the flame, visualize it as a beacon of empowerment and protection, illuminating your path and dispelling any darkness. 4. Take a bowl of water in your hands, symbolizing purity and divine blessings. Offer your gratitude and intentions to Goddess Durga, expressing your desire to honor her and seek her guidance. 5. Offer your prayers, chants, or hymns to Goddess Durga, expressing your devotion and gratitude. You may recite traditional prayers dedicated to her or speak from the depths of your heart. Allow your words to flow freely, embracing a sincere connection with her divine presence. 6. Close your eyes and enter a meditative state. Visualize Goddess Durga in her magnificent form, radiating strength and love. Imagine her energy merging with your own, empowering you with courage, resilience, and protection. Feel her presence enveloping you, awakening your inner power. Meditate in this state of connection for as long as you feel guided. 7. Take fresh flowers, preferably marigolds, and offer them at the feet of the goddess. As you place each flower, infuse it with your prayers, intentions, and gratitude. Feel the energy of the flowers merging with the divine energy of Durga, creating a sacred bond. 8. Express your heartfelt gratitude to Goddess Durga for her presence, blessings, and guidance. Gently ring the bell or chime again to signify the completion of the ritual. A final message, words of wisdom from Durga. Embrace the fierce and compassionate spirit within, for it is the essence of your divine power. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.